on the 1926 Kissel 655 Brougham. My name is Trish from D&T TV. This car has been in storage here for about 15 years. At one time, it had been owned by someone who lived in New York. It was then purchased by a couple of investors who lived in the Phoenix area. Their intention was to use it as a parts car and removed only a few things from it. We purchased it and trailered it up to Prescott. We're excited about this project because the way things look, right now, it should be together within a year. In case some of you were wondering, that doesn't mean that we have abandoned our 1918 Kissel all-year touring sedan. That restoration is still in the works, and in fact, at the moment, Gary and David are working on fabricating a new honeycomb radiator for it. That alone is a major project. The car we are looking at right now was carefully stored outdoors on a concrete pad with a tarp over it. I don't remember the exact condition that it was in when we acquired it, but we did the best that we could to make sure that it was protected from the elements. For the last 3 years, it has been kept in covered storage. This car is considered a full classic by the Classic Car Club of America. It was manufactured by the Kissel Motor Car Company, which later became Kissel Industries, in Hartford, Wisconsin. Information on Kissels is easy to acquire. The book, The Classic Kissel Automobile, was written by Valquant, and it contains a wealth of information about each Kissel model that was built. The Hartford Heritage Auto Museum is dedicated to preserving the history of the Kissel automobile, other cars manufactured in Wisconsin, as well as other highly collectible automobiles. The Kissel Car Company was founded in 1906 by the Kissel brothers William and George. They manufactured an estimated 35,000 cars and trucks between 1906 and 1931. All that remains today, from the 25-year production of a wide variety of passenger cars, trucks, and commercial vehicles, is now 200 that are known to exist. Some Kissels have sold for $250,000 at auction. The Kissel is a very rare and not well-known make. Demand for Kissels and parts continues to increase. When Kissels were manufactured, there were literally hundreds of automobile companies in the United States. Unlike Kissel, many of them were relatively small and made one or a handful of vehicles. Part of what makes Kissel stand out today is its famous racy-looking roadster, affectionately known as the Goldbug Speedster. It was painted in Kissel chrome yellow and was driven by famous celebrities, such as Amelia Earhart, Jack Dempsey, film stars Al Jolson, Mary Pickford, Douglas Fairbanks, and singer Rudy Valley. The 1926 Brougham that we are looking at here had new features for that year, such as an adjustable front seat, similar to what we are familiar with today. This allowed for easier entry and exit from the rear seat. It also allowed adjustments for the driver to make it easier to reach the foot pedals. The same year, Kissel added a slogan, cushioned in rubber, in addition to the slogan, Kissel Custom Built. The words custom built left everyone the impression that the Kissel was elegant in both class and style. In later years, Kissel coined the phrase for their vehicles, every inch a car. It was normal for a Kissel to cost 8 to 10 times what a Model T Ford would cost. Custom built does not necessarily mean that each vehicle was custom built. It meant that rather than using the assembly line, Kissels were hand built. Nearly every part of the vehicles was made within the Kissel factory. Kissel had unique and authentic rare colors for their vehicles. Custom colors could be added for an additional $50 to $100. This Brougham will be returned to its original colors, Brewster green with orange striping and orange wheels. The colors will be as close to the original colors as possible. This car is under consideration to be sold once it is completely restored. We won't part with it before then. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we invite you to watch future episodes.